Hey, good morning. Happy after Thanksgiving Day, Black Friday. I am happy to tell you that I will do no shopping outside the home today. And I want to talk about just two charts. And I'm going to just do a quick macro here for people. Is that these two moving averages here are the 200 and the 100 moving averages. And the reason why I have them up there is that when the 200 is below price, I consider that a bull zone, and if it's over the 200 and the 100, I consider that very bullish. And then in addition to that, with Barrick Gold is that we beautiful cup and handle right now breaks out of this range it's in right now. You got a 30%, 35% move coming up. You're looking at $17 here on Barrick. We have a buy on this now. Okay, here's our buy signals. And the nice thing about what we do is that we try to give you guys the tools so that you can trade on your own. And so if you're a subscriber of Trade Genius, that especially now we have the Black Friday special going, you can get the momentum signal and our reversal signal, which we call the slingshot, as part of the service for crypto or for the stock ETFs. Really powerful tool, gets you on the right side of the trade. You're going to win a lot more than you're going to lose, and when you win, you're going to win a lot more money, and then when you lose, you're going to lose a lot less money because it gets you out of the trade really fast, and then you don't have to rely on anybody else. We've developed this tool a long time ago, and we're finally able to find a platform where we can code it and be able to display it. But this is one of my favorites. I call these out anyway. So if you're a subscriber, you get the signals, you get the trading room, and you get the our training package, and also you get 30 minutes of coaching for free. It's a killer deal. So anyway, but ABX is one of mine. I have a watch list I call the future, and it's gold miners, silver miners, uranium miners, cobalt miners, nickel miners, and it's also going to have the short SPY in it, and it's also going to have the 10-year in it as well. I think that's what 2019, 2020 tells us: slower growth, if not recession. And if they decide to flood the market with liquidity or credit, it's going to blast off the precious metals. Uranium's in its animal into itself, and I'm going to show you that right now. That's my other top stock, and that's CCJ, also above its 200, 100. Beautiful uptrending. One of the signals we tell people when you buy our signal, not buy our signal, but you buy from the signal, is that you could buy any of these signals on an uptrend. Now I trade on the 4 hours, so that's why you see these green arrows. What are they matching up to? It's more responsive to trade, so I trade on the 4 hours. So buy signal, buy signal, buy signal, all of them profitable signals. Okay, if you'd have just traded options right here on these three signals, you'd have paid for our service for the year. I mean, just really good tool. And so I just wanted to show you that. Stock market today, it closes early, and I'm not expecting much today. I know I won't trade futures on it, but I may put on a binary option trade depending on how it opens. We're already at VWAP. It's down for the day. It's been down yesterday too. Everybody's waiting on the G20 summit. Look, everybody's calling for this market to crash, but it may not. So we may get a pretty big end of the year rally here before it rolls over into next year. That would be my guess. If you think about it logically, you bought puts. If you're a big time investor, right? You probably extended those puts out into January, and you take those puts off in January. Okay, so you can avoid taxation this year, and then you sell your position as you take your puts off next year as well. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to be looking for the puts open interest to fall at the same time price is falling. That tells me that we're just going to have general selling, and it has to happen. My target on SPY is between 1800 and 2100. I think they're going to try to unwind the entire 26 back to 2016 when they had this ramp job that was inexplicable. They just basically gamed the volatility index, and that's all getting unwound right now. I think we're going to go back to that. Then I think the Fed's going to get really, really dovish again because they're pretty scared. Europe rolling over, and we're showing better signs of life, but how quickly can it end? Can you imagine if GE goes belly up or PG&E goes belly up? There's probably 40 or 50 companies that are in precarious debt positions, and the Federal Reserve is not going to let these banks absorb these blows from these corporate public companies, because it's just gonna cause a cascade. So they're gonna jump in front of it. This rate increase in December is gonna be the last one you're gonna see. But anyway, that's for another day. So take a look at these stocks. I like those. I'll be talking about my favorite 10 or 12 stocks here on a go-forward basis, and just keep making money on them. And you check out TradeLikeAGenius.com. Black Friday special. You have to midnight tonight to be able to get that bundled in. It's not even showing on there. You just call in, you buy the service, and I'll bundle the software in for you. And you don't have to do anything other than give me a TradingView name. You do need TradingView service, but you can get it for free if you do 3 indicators or less. And then I use it. I like it. I have the Pro version, so what you pay for it is it's a really good tool. So anyway, thanks for listening. I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.